Good morning, room 4. We have finally made it till the end of the week. I'm so proud of you all for working so hard this week on all of your schoolwork. We're going to start morning meeting now. We're going to start with today is, and I just told you the day. Do you remember what I said? Use your morning meeting folder to point to the day. Today is Friday. Touch Friday in your morning meeting folder. Good job. All right, the month is, remember this picture means month. And we're looking for the month of April. April, it rains a lot, like it's gonna rain today. Can you find the month that has rain on it? This says April. The month is April. Touch April in your morning meeting folder. Good job. Today is April 17th. So we say the date is the 17th. The weather is, okay, go look outside. And what is the weather like right now where you are? Right now, while Miss Ainsley is recording morning meeting for us, it's cloudy. But if you watch this later, it may be rainy. But right now, I'm going to say the weather is cloudy. All right, and the temperature is, let's look. It is about 50 degrees. So 50 degrees we say is cool. So touch in your morning meeting folder, cool. Miss Ainsley's going to read the sentence. The temperature is cool. All right, good job, friends. Now we're going to go to our classroom website and we are going to find our daily schedule for the day. So on the classroom website, it looks like this. It says Churchill Park. We are on the highly structured team. And then we need to touch Miss Ainsley's picture. And then this is our room 4 website. So to find our daily schedule, we go to the schedule picture. So you click on the schedule and it will open up for us. Well, this is yesterday's daily schedule. Oh, but it's the same, so we'll still look at it. So we have morning meeting today. Go on your virtual field trip. Do math and do reading. And try to work on those IEP goals with your parents and make sure everyone sends me pictures or videos of you all working so hard. All right, I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.